Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use filters during Facebook Live. So first of all, open the application of Facebook into your mobile phone, and once you're into the application of the Facebook, what you need to do is just click on what's on your mind. And once you're in this section, just scroll down, and from here you can see the option like live video. So just click on live video, and they will ask to like allow your Facebook, and from here you can just go live on the Facebook. Let's say you want to use filters on Facebook Live. So Facebook has removed this option from their new applications. So let's say you want to use the filters. So you just need to download the older version of Facebook if you are either on the Android or on iPhone. So if you are using the new version of Facebook, you will be not be able to like use filters during Facebook Live, as Facebook has officially removed this feature from their Facebook account. So if you want to use it, you can just download the older versions, and this option is still available in the older versions of the Facebook account. So you can just download it and use it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use filters during Facebook Live.